Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. Welcome from Teneriffa. So I am right now on my journey to La Palma, but I have a 20-hour stopover here in Teneriffa. So I always said the only thing that is interesting in Teneriffa, I don't know the island, so don't judge me, I just say this, is the Teide volcano. So let's see where I am. Over there, that's Teide volcano. Yeah, I've actually already been up and it was really nice. It was a bit cold. Unfortunately, I couldn't do the hike because my time here in Teneriffa is pretty limited. So I had to go with the cable car, but the cable car was actually also really nice. I had a super good view. Yeah, and on the volcano I also did some drone shots and they were pretty cool. Unfortunately, a security guy there came and said drone flying is forbidden in all national parks. So yeah, I had to land it afterwards and he screamed a bit at me, but I got good shots. Yeah, so let's see how Volcano Teide looks like. There is snow up here. Woohoo! Unfortunately, you need a permittance to go to the top of the Teide. I didn't have it, so I just went to the Pico de la Viaje or something like this. And yeah, also that was already pretty nice. And now I will drive back to Los Cristianos and there I will take in the evening the ferry to La Palma. Don't miss my videos in La Palma because I think it will be amazing. So subscribe my channel, and if you like this video already, feel free to like it or even share it if you want. And yeah, see you next week in La Palma. Bye guys. Okay. Yeah, always thought about throwing my phone in the toilet.